Hey guys, welcome to Computer Buddy. I'm Akhilesh, and in this video I will show you how to solve the earning at risk issue in Google Adsense. So guys, if you are using um, Blogger, this is not for you, and this is for the people who are using like WordPress and all. So you just have to do one thing. You have to log into your Adsense. There you can find the option to download the ads.txt file. Then go to your cpanel. There you have to uh, log in into the file manager. After that you have to access your website's root folder, and there you can find the upload option there. So there you have to upload the downloaded ads.txt file which is in your computer, and you have to upload it into the root file folder of your website. So by this your problem will be solved. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video. Please do support by subscribing my channel.